The smell of chemicals in your freezer can be caused by expired food stored in styrofoam containers or leaks from containers. To eliminate the odor, you have two options: removing the source of the smell or using natural methods. To start, dispose of any spoiled or moldy food, and then remove all compartments and wash them with hot water and fresh-smelling dish soap. Thoroughly clean the interior with the same solution, and keep the door open for at least 10 minutes. If the smell persists, you can try using natural methods to remove it. One approach is to clean the interior with a solution of water and vinegar. You can also place fresh coffee grounds or activated charcoal inside to help curb the smell. Alternatively, pour baking soda into a container and place it at the bottom of the freezer. Another option is to use breath mints by placing them on a paper plate inside the freezer. Additionally, soaking a towel in lemon juice and wiping down the interior can help eliminate the smell. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the chemical smell from your freezer.